this. The resultant field, how it will be? The resultant field will be directed in this way. Now, what is this? This is the E1. What is the radius of this? The radius of this is r by 2. These are all just some basic thinking problem. So only thing is that clarity of the what we discussed earlier is needed. What is E? E should be equal to E1 plus C2. We'll agree this much, I think. Okay, now after this, what is E1? Directly like this. It is at point P, no? What is the expression in terms of the mass we have brought it? If you want, you can bring the density of this. In terms of density, you can bring it. Can you remember anybody? One formula with the density? Anybody? The formula with the density? Four pi G rho R. Anybody can you tell the formula?
4 pi 0 r by 3.
4 E equal to 4 pi 0 r by 3. Okay, now what is the density? Let me calculate the density. What is the density of this? This is like a of radius r and mass m. A spherical portion of radius 0.5 r is scooped out as shown in figure. If the scooped out portion is somehow placed back in place, then contact force between scooped portion and the rest of planet. Okay, what to do now? Only we have information of mass, no? What is E1? E1 should be due to the total sphere which is having a mass m. Is it clear? So I think the thing should be like this. Due to total sphere of mass m, first we should calculate. And then what is E2? Only due to the sphere, okay, due to the cavity. That is E2. And what should be the R? R should be the distance between this one. So I think I'll rather than getting into the calculation, yesterday's conclusion is what I'll make it. So if you solve everything, what should be the value of R? R should be the distance between O1 and O2. So what is E1? E1 will be 4 pi G by 3 rho. This will be PO1 bar. PO1 bar plus O2 bar. So this should be equal to how much it is? O2 O1 bar. Can you remember yesterday we have concluded till here. What is O2 O1? O2 O1 is equal to R by 2 according to the diagram. So now we know what is the magnetic, the field strength. What is the field strength? 4 pi G rho by 3 O1 O2. I made problems simple since we already discussed yesterday. I'm using. So this is R by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So this will be 2 pi G rho. Keep it here. So, but we don't know rho. What is rho? Rho should be what? M by 4 by 3 pi R cube only. Agree this? Now, what is the contact force acting? Now, when you, so what is the field inside? Will be uniform, no? This is from yesterday's discussion. I should directly write this one. Actually, to be frank, if I'm a good teacher, I should directly write. We know that the field inside the cavity and it will be uniform. And how will be directed? Towards left. I need one more page. Okay, now, so you take this. If it is the, what is the field in this region? Now look at the field. Field should be uniform. Can you remember? I think yesterday I shown color lines like this. So what is the magnitude of this field? This field is directed like this, and how much it is? That's what we calculated here. This is what E. Now what will happen? The scooped out portion. What is the mass of scooped out portion? The blue color one. What is the mass of this? How to calculate this? What mass is being removed? Because now we know field. We know field here. Okay, this is a scooped out portion. What should be the mass of this? R by 2. Shall I write m dash? So what is m dash? Rho into 4 by 3 pi r by 2 whole cube. What is rho is equal to m by 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is equal to m by 8. Now what will happen? This particular mass is going to experience this particular field, E. So what is the force acting on it should be equal to now? M dash into E. The force acting on this scooped out portion, F dash should be equal to M dash into E. So what is M dash? M by 8. What is E? We know this one. 2 pi G rho R by 3. What is rho? Substitute all this one. This will be 2 pi. Let me begin like this. M by 8. 2 pi GR 3. What is rho again? M by R cube. Okay, solve this. M square will come. Then G will be there. Pi will get cancelled. 3 also will get cancelled. R square will be there. Anybody? How much it will be? 2 4s. I think 16 will come. 16 R square. Okay, you know, I think I don't have any other method to explain this one. Here is what the scoped out. So this particular field, what happened, will exert a force. And it's a uniform. As it is a uniform, the mass into the field. If it were non-uniform, I would have used a different method.